This is insane. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Oh, this is getting a bit dangerous. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to Hatta and we've got the squad back together. Hello girls.
Yo!
We're just trying to work out where Kayleigh's going to hide her bowl from her breakfast.
Hide this. And we're going to see if it's still there after. Come on, where are we going? No, behind the bush is too thin.
It's just such a melt, isn't she?
We're not burying it in the sand like your slippers.
Yeah, we're heading to Hatta. We're having a little adventure today. We're going to do some kayaking, some hiking. We're going to see some cool stuff. So let's go. Come on, what?
That in there and that in there. Done.
What if someone tries to water the plants?
Well, then they're going to have porridgey plants.
Racheal show now, isn't it?
So house!
We found some goats. They're running. Are you alright? Get your bum away. No, don't get run over. These adventures just get weirder and weirder every time, I swear.
Stray goats!
We found stray goats. Why are they running away? Come back. Oh! You got them continuous curves?
Come on.
We're about 10-15 minutes away from Hatta and the start of our hike. So we're gonna roll.
It was curves. Yeah! You know that you stayed and you changed my...
These are so
Probably
long.
like one dirham.
Socially distant lolly. Oh, do you want this one? We've stocked up on some hiking supplies and we're about to make our descent or ascent to the Hatta sign. We've made it to the Hatta Activity Hub where you can go like zip lining or you can stay the night. They've got these walkways, they've got this Go Ape type thing. It is awesome.
It's awesome!
And now we're going across the rope bridge.
Whoa!
Oh. It's really springy. Trying to work out where the start of this hike is as we head to the Hatta sign. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Right, we found the route and we're finally on our way to the Hatta sign. We hope. We're on a bike trail at the moment. Do not walk on bike trails. That is very conflicting. Do not walk. Goodbye. Oh God. We just bumped into some people and we're following their advice to go on the on the track where the go-karts come down, because we can literally see the back of the sign there. We're almost there actually. This was really short, but this is very steep. Yay! This is proper steep. This is like we're just saying that there used to be, this is for like go-karts to go down, but this is so steep. I think it stopped because this is like mad. People definitely died here. We're actually so close, like it's right there. This view is mad. We're so close, the sign is literally there.
We're as high as the aeroplane.
We're coming, wait for us. This is it, we're almost there. Come on Kayleigh, you got this. Come on! We made it! Oh my god, it's windy up here. Woo!
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts.
Wow,
is that a
you more
thing?
than me. Yeah.
Don't leave your rubbish behind, and if you're here, collect a handful, take it with you, and then the world will be a better place.
Don't do it.
So we've had a very successful drone flight, a successful little hike getting up here, some snacks, and now we're going to carry on our hike.
Brad's going to play music.
I'm gonna what? DJ Brad on the decks.
Yeah?
Oh, this is getting a bit dangerous.
Oh, you filming? Is that why you said that?
Oh no, stop that. Did you just almost stack it? Oh my god, this is so cool. This trail is insane. This is so steep, it's literally zigzagging.
That's mad.
Straight up. This view just gets better and better the more you walk. Every 5 minutes you just stop and you go, wow, this is mad. This is insane. Those mountains.
Like all the layers of those mountains.
Oh my god. This is mad. Look at that.
It's all kicking off.
It's all kicking off. Look at the layers in the mountains. Wow. We've made it to a viewpoint. And these views just get better and better. Have a look at this. What? This is like a 360 view. This looks like a dragon or something, don't you think? Especially from this side. And then look at it. Oh. This is really weird. Oh my god. It's even weirder looking out because it's like surrounding you. We've decided that we've definitely taken one of the red or black routes, which are like the hardest, because we are right now up and down. This is...
I'm in danger.
This is proper sketchy now. I love it. Go on, I'll film you from here. We're a bit confused because we thought we were heading back, but we've just rediscovered the Hatta sign. We're not lost, we just don't know where we are.
Racheal's coming!
Oh no! These spiky bushes keep getting our hair caught. We've definitely gone the wrong way, and somewhere along the way we've hit the red path, and now it is so steep up and down, and we think we're miles away from where we need to be. This is still proper cool, but we got to get to kayaking now. And we're very far. Oh, shut up. We've climbed all the way around this massive mountain hill thing. We finally made it back to the Hatta sign. Woo!
Yeah,
how'd you feel, everyone?
Good! My bum. Oh. My bum hurts.
And now all we have is this small death walk down. And then we go kayaking!
It's all kicking off.
It's all kicking off. How'd you love it?
It's a workout, but now I've had your legs.
We've definitely been here before, guys. And now we make the descent. It's very windy. What did you do on your day off?
I stopped swinging. What did you do on your day off?
Remember to get rid of the rubbish
That you collected.
See, it wasn't just for the video, I did actually do it. We've made it to Hatta Dam. Damn. We're just going to meet Jake and Kayleigh to go kayaking. I'm glad we didn't try and get the Jeep up here because this is steep. Come on. Kayleigh, it's your favourite. Look, sanitising tunnel. Go on, have it lodge. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, disappointed. Oh, very, very bad, very, very bad. Have you ever tried it? It looks so cool. Don't lean in, don't lean. Wow, look at that. Keep paddling. To the sun! Back up! Bye! Got a situation where we've lost Alex and Racheal somewhere here. Come on! Get it, get the shot, get the shot. Go on, get it. Back to Dubai. So after a very long hour-and-a-half drive back, we finished kayaking. It was really good. Everyone happy with kayaking?
He did so good, Jack.
Very good. It was kicking off.
It was
Kick it off! But now we've come to a restaurant these guys have recommended called Fuchsia. Fuchsia?
Yes, it is Thai fuchsia.
Thai.
Food. We're having something.
Let's eat. We need food. We haven't eaten all day.
What next is the question? Rich gentlemen have it, boys, in digestion.
Are you open?
We're hungry.
Oh, we definitely deserve this, guys. Oh no. Where's the bowl gone? I told you you'd use it. Oh, well, what a miserable end to a day.
And the bowl.
Okay, right, dinner was really good. Definitely recommended. It's kicking off.
Oh yes, it's kicking
off. That's for Frankie.
Over and out.
Right, have a good time. Have a good time.
Have a good
Right,
time.
thanks for
Enjoy.
watching. Thanks for
Subscribe.
watching. Bye.
Love the link. Like the
Bye.
link. Subscribe.
Love the link.